Several governors are taking an about face when it comes to requiring masks in public schools, citing the rapid drop-off in COVID-19's Omicron surge. Even as the mandates come to an end, some fed-up parents say the move is too little, too late.
We're not going to manage COVID to zero. We have to learn how to live with COVID as we move from a pandemic to the endemic phase of this virus.
The end to the mandates in New Jersey, Connecticut, Delaware, and Oregon will take effect between now and the end of March, depending on the state.
It's kind of early to say that. I think if it was to be today, I wouldn't be in favor of it. I think wearing the mask is for your overall protection.
My thoughts are they're not good because I'm never breathing in them.
The statewide mask mandate in New York, once ground zero for the pandemic, is set to expire Thursday. Governor Kathy Hochul is expected to keep it in place for city schools. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky cautions against lifting the requirements, saying the country isn't out of the woods yet.
We still have hospitalization rates that are higher than they ever were during the peak of our Delta wave, and similarly for deaths, still at 2,300 a day. I don't think we're there right now. I know people are cautiously optimistic.
Still, the battle playing out in various ways across the country. In Chicago, a group of students recently walked out of class after being told to mask up. Masking and other COVID restrictions leading some families to leave blue states for red. Texas, Florida, and Arizona, all Republican-led states, have banned mask mandates. They're now seeing a surge in new residents. Carol Markowitz, a lifelong New Yorker and columnist for the New York Post, relocated her family to Florida.
My, at the time, 5-year-old, now he's 6, has never been in school without a mask. And I see delays in him. I see that he's not at the same level where his siblings were at this point. We basically moved to Florida because of him.
She sees a big difference.
It's very, very good. My kids go to school maskless every day. They haven't seen their masks since we landed in Florida. You don't even realize what you've lost until you see normal elsewhere.
Meanwhile, more states may follow suit in lifting mask mandates now that school-aged children are eligible for vaccinations. Charlene Aaron, CBN News.